Alright, so we're going to start with these screws right here, because as you can tell, the whole thing's got to kind of slide off that way. Alright, so I took the bottom bar off. It's over here. Now I have to take these right here off, and then we'll see if it comes off easy. Okay, so I've got these straps off. They came from here. Now we're going to see if we can't pull it off. Seems easy so far. A lot of wiggling. Back and forth action. You can see where it's split on me here. Thinking we're going to have to take this top off. Okay. Okay, I tried getting this off. It's not going to work. I'm going to separate this and then we'll try it again. Okay, so I got this loose, and this is easy enough. It comes right out. Take it off the bottom, and this part will slide right off of it. So easy enough right there, right? Now that the bolts are out of the way, this part should come right off. Anybody can do this. I'm a klutz. I can do it. Anyway, pull this straight off. There's your frame. Now to put the new one on. Okay, here's the new one. I'm just going to do it like this. Slide this in the bottom. Probably easier if you get on it like that. Just want to be careful here. You don't want to pull the stitching too much. I'm kind of a brute sometimes, so I want to try and be careful. Just kind of lap it over. There we go. All right, that's got that part. Flip it over. Take this upside, just flip it over the same way it was. Put that in there. Oh wait, before you do that, you're gonna want to put that inside first. And then slide it in from the bottom. Because you want this to go down inside here. Otherwise, after you put the seat top on, you won't be able to get it up in there. So, but before that, or rather if you do it before that, it slides right up in there. There you go. Put the bolt back in. Alright, I got the bolts on the bar put in, I got the bolts put in, I got the seat bolts put in, and I got the strap bolts all put back together. So, all we got to do now is just hem up the straps, tighten her down, put her back on the yak. Hope it helped. Have a good one. Vibe on.